Now available on demand.
Oh, she let go.
What? You're gonna keep the bird gamer. Keep okay. Staying with keep or what?
I didn't say
I can't bear my dress. Just a letting glow.
wow. We gotta make her pay.
My hair's blue!
What is it about weddings that makes girls go crazy? Bride Wars. Tune to channel 900. Movies on demand. Time Warner Cable for the power of you.
I've got a car, ain't got no luster. Gonna let the showroom make it shine.
Make it shine!
I've got a car that's kind of crash. I need it fixed and I need it fast.
Hey, Betty, you want to play dog?
Attention parents and grandparents of young children. Have you received this special notice from Gerber Life? If not, you're supposed to call this toll-free number now, because Gerber Life is accepting applications for their affordable grow-up plan. It's easy to help your child get off to a good financial start for just pennies a day. Free information will be sent to parents and grandparents who call now. Or you can apply right now over the phone if you'd like. The grow-up plan gives your child $10,000 in whole life insurance protection now, and doubles automatically to
This one's trying to come up in
$20,000
my lap.
later at no extra cost.
Yeah,
Later on,
Tess
your
is a
child
cuddle
can buy
bug.
more, up to $100,000 in total protection, regardless of their health or job.
I think she's the one that's gonna be like a mom.
The grow-up plan also builds cash value over time that you can borrow